Hey guys, in this video, I will teach you how to delete your account on WhatsApp. So let's go. First, let's go to our WhatsApp account. Now we are on my status. Go to our calls, chats, and finally settings. Settings, let's go to our account. And then here, choose delete my account. And then for deleting your account, you need to verify your phone number. So that's it. Delete my account. Connecting. And then let's put sad face. And then next. And proceed to delete your account. So make sure that you're really sure that you want to delete your account. So now delete my account. And that's it. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching. Have a great day.